Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to compare the display comparison between the Redmi K20 Pro versus the Redmi Note 9 Pro device. So if you're watching first time this video, friends, subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru, and also to check the links in description, friends, for the playlist of Redmi K20 Pro or Redmi Note 9 Pro. So you can find plenty of playlist videos, friends, so where I did in-depth reviews, friends, on each smartphone. So you can check the links in description, how many videos are uploaded on each phone. And these are my latest videos, friends, which I did on the smartphone. So if you are interested, do check my latest videos. As you can see, friends, battery draining test and different display comparison, plenty of videos I did latest. So you can find links in description, friends. And in this video, I'll be comparing both the phones, Redmi K20 Pro versus the Redmi Note 9 Pro display comparison, friends. And I'll be playing the same video in both the phones. And if you have any doubts regarding the smartphone, you can WhatsApp me to the number, friends. And do subscribe to my channel and send me the screenshot after subscribing to my channel. So as you can see, friends, in this video, I'll be playing the same video in both the phones, Redmi Note 9 Pro and K20 Pro device. So let me try to use the same kind of crop in both the phones. Let me try to start at same time. So I have increased the brightness to the full brightness, friends, under 100% brightness, as you can see clearly. And although the Redmi K20 Pro comes with a Super AMOLED panel, friends, which has the HDR10 Plus certified, and in terms of the color reproduction, the Redmi K20 Pro is the best in this price range. So which is very good in terms of the display quality, friends. So even you can compare side by side how it looks. So where you can see far away the green color plants, which look clearly on the Redmi K20 Pro, not on the Note 9 Pro device. So you'll get this kind of details in the K20 Pro device, friends. The K20 Pro doesn't have the Quad HD display or resolution, which has only 1080p, but still you can feel the difference in the sharpness of the colors. So which has. So if you take a look at the mountains far away, so you can identify, friends. And K20 Pro has another advantage of having the very minimalistic bezels. So when you compare with other smartphone, Redmi Note 9 Pro device, as you can see, which has a little bit of slightly higher bezels. And in terms of full screen display, you get good experience in the Redmi K20 or K20 Pro device, friends. So there is no problem with that. Full screen display is my favorite display of all the phones, having the pop-up camera and full screen display, because I'm not that kind of person to use front cam at every time. So that's why I would like to have the phones of pop-up camera and enjoy the full screen display, and no need to change any settings in order to run full screen again. So let me try to decrease the brightness to 10. So this is the brightness at 10 level, friends, and both the phones are performing very good in terms of brightness 10. Let me decrease to 5, and it is the brightness levels in terms of 5. So let me turn my studio lights so you can understand which phone is brighter. But the Redmi K20 Pro, the details are a little bit clear, friends, in this phone. So that is what I feel. So do comment below, friends, which displays you like, AMOLED or IPS panels. And Redmi Note 9 Pro can go very dim when you compare with the K20 Pro device. So this is another test which I'll be doing in all my display comparisons. So Note 9 Pro can go very dim, friends. As you can see clearly, you cannot see anything here, but in the K20 Pro you can see some mountains little bit. So this is the overall display comparison, friends, side by side with the Redmi Note 9 Pro versus the K20 Pro device. And also do subscribe to my channel, friends, for more display comparison videos in my channel. So where I got plenty of display comparison videos, friends, in my channel. So don't forget to check the video. And if you want live wallpaper, do check the links in description, friends, for the best wallpapers of the Redmi Note 9 Pro or other devices. So that's it for this video, friends. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.